speech dialogue system for the Audis, and it's the high version, which is the most up-to-date version you can get. You simply press the speech button, and that allows you to speak commands to the sat-nav. To use the speech dialogue system, simply press the speech button. After you press the speech button, you can say a list of things, for example, radio, CD, navigation, telephone, or directory. Once you've pressed this button, it will bring you to that screen. For example, radio.
Radio.
If you'd like to know all the options available, simply say help. Help.
Important commands for the radio are FM or AM, the specific frequency, for example 94.8 MHz, next or previous station. You can assign a name with save station and recall a station with play station and the name. After the command read list, you can select a station name with the PTT button and play, rename or delete the station name. Additional commands are traffic program on or off and repeat traffic report. For general help, say help MMI.
So as you can see there's quite a few options available for the radio. Save station.
The station name, please.
LBC 97.3.
Repeat the name, please.
LBC 97.3.
The station name
LBC 97.3.
has been saved.
Once the radio station has been saved, you can simply recall it by pressing the PTT button and saying the radio station name. For example, LBC 97.3.
Changing to
LBC 97.3. You can save up to 20 name tags on the radio. There's also a lot of other functions available. For example, you can tune into a specific radio frequency. 100.8 MHz. Navigation.
navigation.
Specific town.
Please spell the town name.
SW177.
Please select the destination out of the list.
1.
Your specified destination is accepted. Please spell the street name.
Langroyd.
Please select a street out of the list.
1.
Your specified street is accepted. Would you like to specify a house number or an intersection?
House number.
The house number, please.
23.
Is the indicated house number correct?
Yes.
Your house number is accepted. Would you like to navigate to the indicated destination?
Yes.
Calculating route.
Specific town.
Please spell the town name.
Newquay.
Please select the destination out of the list.
1.
Your specified destination is accepted. Please spell the street name.
Grosvenor.
Please select a street out of the list.
1.
Your specified street is accepted. Would you like to specify a house number or an intersection?
House number.
The house number, please.
19.
Is the indicated house number correct?
Yes.
Your house number is accepted. Would you like to navigate to the indicated destination?
Yes.
Calculating route.
As you can see, that's the distance to the destination. That is your estimated time of arrival. And you can zoom in and out with the main rotary button here and give yourself an idea of how far the journey is. As you can see, you can zoom out quite far. You can now use the PTT button, or the speech dialogue system, to zoom back into the original 100 meters. So if we press the PTT button and say scale 100 meters, it's going to zoom back in. Scale 100 meters. As you can see, we've now zoomed back in. This can also be used to zoom out, as well as a certain amount. For example, 500 meters, 800 meters, or 1,000 meters. One particularly useful function for the PTT is the special destination function, which allows you to search for petrol stations, airports, hospitals, and certain other special destinations just by pressing the PTT button. For example, special destination.
Your special destination, please.
Petrol station.
Please select a special destination from the following list.
1.
Would you like to navigate to the indicated destination?
Yes.
Calculating route.
The route has now been recalculated to the nearest petrol station. This works extremely well. Another very useful function for the PTT is the last destination function, which allows you to navigate to the last destinations. Simply say last destination.
Please choose.
Number 5.
Would you like to navigate to the indicated destination?
Yes.
Calculating route.
As you can see, the route has now been recalculated. We can also use the help function on each setting. For example, radio help, CD help, directory help, telephone help, or navigation help. So, help.
Important commands for the navigation system are specify country, specify town, and specify street name, as well as navigate to plus a directory entry that you have already saved, and start or stop route guidance. Would you like additional help?
Yes.
Additional commands for the navigation system are special destinations, last destinations, top destinations, last instruction, dynamic navigation on or off, and repeat traffic report. Would you like help for the map options?
Yes.
Possible map options are map on or off, intersection zoom on or off, overview map or detail map, destination map or current position map, scale 100 meters to 500 kilometers, as well as zoom in or out. For general help, say help MMI.
Help MMI.
A short press of the PTT button on the steering wheel activates the speech dialogue system or selects an entry in a list. A longer press of the PTT button cancels a running dialogue. You can say cancel or help for every entry. For information about a specific system, say for example help radio, help CD, etc. Possible systems are radio, CD, telephone, navigation, directory.
Another particularly useful function of the speech dialogue system is the directory, where we can add names and numbers to the directory and then use the PTT button to recall a name or number and navigate to or call that particular person. Save name.
The name, please.
Hawk.
Repeat the name, please.
Hawk.
The name
Hawk.
has been saved.
We can now use the PTT button to call this particular entry or navigate to this particular entry. For example, navigate to Hawk.
Would you like to navigate to the indicated destination?
Yes.
Calculating route.
As you can see, the destination has now been updated. We can also use the PTT button to call a particular directory entry, which will be saved to the vehicle and not to the telephone. For example, call Hawk.
Would you like to call
Hawk. Yes.
The number for
Hawk
is being dialed.